Goodness me, before we know it, it's going to be Christmas again. I'm Sylvia Critcher and I'm well known around the UK for teaching the corded and stuffed work. As well as that, I do teach a whole spectrum of patchwork and quilting techniques. I only specialise with the corded and stuffed work at the shows and on workshops. And as Christmas is coming along quite quickly, and you all know it was upon us before we realise, and we get to October and November and you think it's too late, I should have made that. So we're going to start early. So what I'm going to do today is to show you how to make the lifted star. It looks quite complicated, but in fact it's very easy to do. I'm going to take my fabrics, choose the order in which I'm going to present them, and I'm going to lay them up on my board with 1 centimetre or ½ an inch between each fabric. So you follow round, right the way round to complete, and you'll end up, hopefully, with something like this.